What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today there was some really big news in the fishing industry, more specifically in the bass fishing industry, and we're going to talk about it right now. Okay, so first off, I want to apologize for the quality of this video. I wasn't planning on making a video today, and I've been extremely busy, and I don't have any of my camera equipment with me, so I'm actually using my iPhone. So that's why the picture and the audio quality isn't quite as good as what you're used to on this channel. But like I said, there's some big news today. For those of you who haven't heard, Major League Fishing has bought the FLW. Now, these are two completely different type of tournament organizations. The platforms completely different. I'm gonna go ahead and link an article in the description from Wired to Fish, because that's where I got probably 80% of my information that I'm putting in this video. So if you want to know more and you want to get a lot more details, definitely click the link in the description. But yeah, this is a Major League Fishing and FLW merger, with Major League Fishing purchasing FLW. Pretty interesting stuff. The FLW Tour is now going to be referred to as the FLW Pro Circuit. From what I understand, entry fees are going to go up, but now half the field is going to get checks. So way more payouts, which you can expect with the entry fee going up. The events are going to be 6 days long, 3 days of your standard tournament, your five biggest fish in your bag. That's how the first 3 days are going to go. And then the last 3 days are going to be 10 angler knockout rounds, which is similar to how Major League Fishing's tournaments go. I haven't found any information on how the practice is going to be done, like how many days are going to be allowed to practice, anything like that. They haven't released that yet to my knowledge. It's going to be a lot more events, which is going to make it easier for some anglers to fish closer to home, which is, I guess, a good thing. A lot of people are kind of going crazy about this. I don't fish tournaments, so it doesn't really affect me all that much, but it's still pretty freaking interesting. I do a lot of kayak fishing. FLW has recently merged with the biggest kayak tournament series, so I don't know if this is going to affect kayak anglers or not. I'm not really sure. It's going to be interesting to see what comes next. It's going to be interesting to see how everybody reacts to this. In my opinion, it is going to make the organization stronger. You see the same type of thing with companies of all types, like Sears and Kmart merged, Bass Pro and Cabela's merged. Honestly, I think the fishing selection at Cabela's has gotten a lot better since that merger. So I don't know. In my opinion, I think this is going to make the organization stronger. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think this is a good idea, if this is a bad idea. If you're a kayak angler, let me know if you think this is going to affect the kayak tournaments at all, specifically kayak bass fishing. Pretty interesting stuff. But yeah, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Again, apologize for the quality of this video. Just wanted to get this out there really quick because everyone's pretty much talking about this today, so I wanted to go ahead and hurry up and get a video done. But as for now, that's all I have for you guys on this topic. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll see you next time.